Suddenly I'm seeing everything so different.
Happy birthday, Pierre! Welcome sa Pilipinas. First time natin magbakasyon nito. Ngayon, mararamdaman mo talaga ang totoong party dito sa Pinas.
Because of you, I'm seeing everything. You make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Like a picture that I've painted in my wildest dreams, came to life in every feeling that you gave.
And wish ko sa'yo, maging mabuting bata, maging palakaibigan, and maging mabait sa pinsan mo. Etong si Liam. Happy birthday!
Celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight. Lost your way, lost your cool, then you straight up lost your mind. Tried so hard to stay ahead, but you keep falling behind. Life is gonna pull you down, make it hard to see, but a little change in your point of view could be just what you need. There's always a reason to always choose joy. There's something deeper that the world can't destroy. Smile when you think you can't. Smile, get up and dance. Smile, there's a bigger plan. The storm only lasts for a while, so smile.
Happy birthday, Pierre. Wish ko sa'yo na sana lumaki ka ng mabuting bata.
Happy birthday, Pierre!
You can cry when it all falls apart, but I believe the more you laugh, the more you heal the heart. There's always a reason to always choose joy. There's something deeper that the world can't destroy. Smile when you think you can't. Smile, get up and dance. Smile, there's a bigger plan and you've got a reason to smile. When you think you can't. Smile, just clap your hands. Smile, there's a bigger plan. You've got a